Hey everyone, welcome to Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner's brand new podcast. I'm Christina.
And I'm Cindy.
And we are your licensed rehabilitation therapists here to help you navigate the world of caregiving and independent living with confidence.
Whether you're a family caregiver, a senior looking to stay safe at home, or an adult living with a disability seeking ways to stay independent, you've come to the right place.
While you're here, don't forget to hit the join button to become a member of the Corner Crew and unlock access to members-only content and private live chats with Cindy and me. Today in this episode, we're going to be diving into, but not literally, mastering the climb. It's crutches on the stairs. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to be sharing tips and tricks to show you how to safely use crutches on the stairs. So let's start making life easier and safer for everyone. You ready, Sin?
Absolutely. Sounds great. All right. So we have our crutches on the stairs. I am going to show several different things today. I do want to let you know that I have my injured or weak leg indicated by this pink tape here. So, Christina, we have a lot of people talking to us, asking us questions about these silly crutches on the stairs. And I'm just going to tell you, there's no magic way to do it that makes it easy. Crutches on the stairs are difficult, they're scary, there's just really no real way around it. So we're going to show you a couple of ways to use the crutches. Hopefully something works for you. We'll show you non-weight bearing, and we will show you weight bearing is tolerated.
So Sin, but there are other statuses, weight bearing statuses, right? Can you run through those real quick, and that way people will know that we're going to be talking about those at the corner, the corner crew with the corner crew.
Right. So there's a lot of different weight-bearing statuses. Or maybe stati. I don't know what it is really, but
what's the plural
statuses.
form?
We'll just go with that.
Okay.
So there's non-weight-bearing, which means absolutely no weight. There can be partial weight-bearing, and sometimes the doctor may put a percentage on that. You may say here 50% or 30% or something like that. There's also something called touchdown or toe touch weight-bearing. So a lot of different weight-bearing statuses that can be given. Depending on if you've had surgery, something like that. Typically, like if you've got a surgery, let's say you start non-weight bearing, sometimes you progress through some of those weight bearing statuses to end up at what we call weight bearing as tolerated. And what that means is that you put the amount of weight on that leg that you can tolerate. So if you have a real spike in pain, that's not tolerable, right? So you've got to back that off. So it's weight bearing as tolerated.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is Cindy, you're going to demonstrate how to use crutches on the stairs going up and down. We're going to look at the first weight-bearing status as the non-weight-bearing status, and I'm going to have you go up the stairs non-weight-bearing without a handrail, and then turn around. Yep, and then turn around and come back, so you'll be coming down non-weight-bearing without a handrail.
Right, so let's say you don't have a rail at all. You're going to have to, of course, use the two crutches. So this is how you do this. So if I am non-weight bearing, again, it's to my right leg here, and usually when I'm going up the stairs, now, if it is below the knee, or if you can bend your knee, you do want to bend your knee to get the foot out of the way of the step. Sometimes you may be in a brace or something like that where you have to keep this leg straight. You're going to just have to kind of keep it back and keep it out of the way. So if I am going up these stairs non-weight bearing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put weight through my hands on both sides. I'm going to go slow and controlled, and I'm going to bring my good leg up and then bring the crutches up. Then again, I'm going to get my balance again, get everything under control. I'm going to put weight through my hands, bring my good leg up, and then the crutches up. Okay? Now, I always tell people when they are doing this, if you feel out of control, you need to stop. Okay, and get everything ready to go again before you go. Now, coming down non-weight bearing, what I suggest is trying to get this leg out in front of you so you're not hitting the step. So you bring your involved leg out in front of you. In this instance, you're going to put the crutches down first. Now, a lot of times I'll have people bring both down. That is if you have decent balance. If not, you might want to try bringing one at a time down like that, slow and steady. Put weight through your hands, and then you let this good leg come down. Then you're going to bring your crutches down, weight through your hands, and then you bring your good leg down. But again, Christina, this is scary. This is scary. So you've got to go very slow. Very slow, very controlled.
Yeah, it's very daunting, especially when you're standing, and 1 or 2 steps can be scary,
Right.
but man, a whole set of stairs,
Yeah.
yeah, that's super scary.
Yeah.
So now the next thing, Sin, I want you to do is I want you to show us how to go up and down
Hmm.
non-weight bearing
Yes.
with a handrail.
Right, right.
Okay.
So I'm going to just tell you, we get a lot of questions, well, what if my rail's on the other side? The big thing is it doesn't matter which side your rail is on, you're just going to put the crutches on the opposite side, okay?
Okay.
Now, going up with 2 crutches and a rail is sometimes difficult, but I want to show you a couple of things. So you're going to hold them underneath your arm, and I'll show you in a minute. I'll turn around here. But what I suggest, sometimes it's a little difficult putting your hand all the way through like this. That's a pretty big grip. So I'm going to kind of show you what I do. I kind of pinch them here between my side and my armpit, and I also use my fingers underneath to help lift the crutches. But whenever I actually bear weight, I'm just bearing down through my palm on the outer crutch, okay? Now, if you have big hands, you may be able to grip across both, but just be careful because it may be a little uncomfortable. So if I'm going up these stairs, non-weight bearing, okay, I'm going to put both of my crutches opposite side of the rail, okay? This leg is up, so you're going to use this rail to bear weight on. You're going to use these crutches to bear weight on. Okay, so I'm bearing weight through my crutches in the rail, and I'm coming up with my good foot. Then as you can see, I use my fingers. I grab right underneath these crutches and pull them up. I'm bearing weight on the rail in my crutch, and then I come right up like that. Okay, now when I'm coming down, again, they're going to come opposite the rail. Okay, and as you're coming down, non-weight bearing, you gotta get this foot out of the way of the step. All right, so the crutch is going to come down first, bear weight through here, bear weight on the rail, bring that good leg down. Crutches come down, bear weight through your hand in the rail, and the good leg comes down.
Very good. Okay.
Yep.
So show us now, Sin, we want to talk about weight bearing is tolerated.
Okay.
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 So let's do weight bearing is tolerated up and down the stairs without a handrail.
Okay, weight bearing is tolerated up and down the stairs without a handrail. Okay, so when you are doing that and when you have weight bearing on both legs, even if it's limited on your involved leg, you are always going up with the good leg first, down with the bad leg first. And we're going to show you how to do that. So as I'm going up, I'm putting weight through my hands. So I've got some weight on this leg, but its weight bearing is tolerated. I'm going to put weight through my hands. I'm going to bring my good leg up, and then my bad leg and the crutches come up. I'm going to put weight through my hands. My good leg comes up, then my bad leg and my crutches. Okay? When you are coming down, the bad leg and the crutches go first. Okay? So as you're coming down, you bring this crutches down, put that bad leg down. You can bear a little bit of weight is tolerated. Weight through your hands, then your good leg. Okay? Crutches come down, bad leg, and then good leg. Okay?
Excellent. Okay. And now weight bearing as tolerated with a handrail.
Yes, so with the handrail, you're going to do it similar to what we did non-weight bearing. Crutches go on the opposite side of the involved leg. Okay? This time, though, you don't have to do so much hopping. You can bear weight through here, bear weight through here. Okay? You're going up with the good leg first. All right? So bear weight through the rail in your crutch, bring your good leg up, and then again, I just hook my fingers underneath these crutches and bring my bad leg up. Weight through the rail, weight through the crutch, good leg up, and then the bad leg. Okay? Coming down, crutches on the opposite side of the rail. Bad leg is coming down first, down with the bad leg. Okay, so the bad leg and the crutches, so I'm going to lift these down, little weight through my bad leg, then bring my good leg down. I'm bringing the crutches down, weight through my bad leg, then the good leg.
While you're on our YouTube channel, make sure you hit the join button to become a member of the Corner Crew and unlock access to members-only content and private live chats with Christina and me.
Also, help us get to 15,000 subscribers by the end of March by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to stay up to date with all our newest content. So, Cindy, now as a As a physical therapist, as a licensed rehabilitation therapist, you have life hacks that you help people daily, and your experience has been in home health. So that's going to be helpful, especially to our caregivers that have loved ones that want to age safely in place or stay in their homes independently and safely. So what's the life hack you have for us today?
Okay, so don't everybody get too far forward on their seats waiting for this magic thing to happen with with the crutches on the stairs.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to say is this. If you have a flight of stairs like this, this can be very taxing. Walking with crutches is taxing. So what I suggest is put a chair at the end, lower part of the stairs, put a chair at the top. So if you're going down or up, you have a place to sit and rest for a couple of minutes before you go on your way. Because this flight of stairs is not going to be easy going up and down with crutches, okay? The other thing is, and people say this all the time, and you know, I know there's not a lot of people that can do this, but if you need to and if you can, this little item might be a good option for going up and down the stairs, okay? So getting yourself down on a step and then making your way up on your rump with, you know, as you go up the stairs, just like this, making your way up and down the stairs that way.
So do the booty scoot.
Do the booty scoot, yes.
You know what too, Sin, is we have we've put a lot of content out about crutches on the stairs and other kinds of mobility devices on the stairs. And we get people that reach out to us, and you could tell they've been through therapy because they will say that the reminder that they were taught was something about up with the good and down with the bad.
Yes.
What does that mean?
That means that whenever you're talking about your legs, and so you're always leading up with your good leg first, and you're always leading down with your bad leg first. And people sometimes are like, oh, I can't go down the step with my bad leg. I want to show you why we do that. So if we're going down the step, as we step down, okay, let's say we don't even have crutches. If we step down with our bad leg first, if you see it for just a few seconds, I've got to have all my weight on my good leg, okay? So you don't want that bad leg staying on the step and having to lower you down. You want the good, strong leg on the step. So that's why bad leg goes down first. Same thing when you're going up the step. So let's go this way. When you're going up the step, you want to lead with your good leg, because your good leg, you need that strength. When you step up, you need that good leg to be able to push up and bring that bad leg up, okay? You don't want to put that bad leg up on this step and expect it to pull your body weight up, okay? Hopefully that makes sense.
It does. It makes perfect sense, especially when you explain it like that. That was really good. Thanks for doing that. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right, everyone, that's it for today. We hope you found this episode informative and helpful. Remember, safety and independence are within your reach, and you're not alone in this journey.
If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them down below in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our newest content.
Don't forget to hit that join button and join the Corner Crew to become part of our amazing community of caregivers and individuals of all abilities who are all cheering each other on.
Until next time, stay safe, stay empowered, and keep thriving.